Hello everyone, and welcome back to Golden Life. Today, in this two-part series, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the law of attraction, a universal principle that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. I'm excited to share with you not only how it works, but also some lesser-known facts, inspiring stories, and practical techniques that can truly change the way you approach manifestation. So, what exactly is the law of attraction? At its core, it's the belief that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you emit into the universe is what you'll receive in return. If you radiate positivity and abundance, you'll draw the same into your life. But here's the thing. Did you know that the law of attraction isn't just some new age concept? It actually has roots in quantum physics. Researchers have discovered that our thoughts and intentions can influence the quantum field around us. It's mind-boggling, right? To illustrate the power of the law of attraction, let me share an incredible story involving the famous actor, Jim Carrey. Before he became a Hollywood sensation, he wrote himself a check for $10 million, dated it 5 years in the future, and kept it in his wallet. 5 years later, he received a movie role that paid him, you guessed it, $10 million. Jim Carrey has often credited the law of attraction for this astonishing manifestation. Now let's get practical. How can you use the law of attraction to manifest joy and abundance in your own life? Here are some techniques that truly work. Vision board. Create a visual representation of your goals and desires. Affirmations. Repeat positive statements to reprogram your subconscious mind. Gratitude. Journal. Daily gratitude cultivates an abundance mindset. Visualization. Imagine your goals as already achieved. Here's another inspiring story. John Assaraf, from The Secret fame, once shared his law of attraction experience. He had a picture of his dream house on his vision board. The vision board ended up in a box in storage for years. One day, after moving into a beautiful new home, his young son asked him what was in the boxes. As John opened the box and pulled out the vision board he had not seen in years, he began to cry. He realized that the new home they were in was the exact dream house he had put on his vision board years ago. He had purchased that exact house without even realizing it. But hold on, we're not done yet. Let's delve further into some crucial law of attraction strategies and frequently encountered pitfalls to avoid. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and watch part 2 for common traps so you can sidestep them and fearlessly pursue the life that you desire.